Today, we're taking a break from product reviews so I can answer a question that I've seen come up. How do you format the SD card inside your drone using the DJI Go 4 app? This method should work for the Mavic Pro, the Mavic Air, the Spark. Most all of these DJI products should work the same. To start off, you do need to connect your drone just as you would do it if you were going to fly. I'm not going to show you that because I'm sure that you already know how. Open the DJI Go 4 app and tap on Go Fly. If you're wondering why my controller looks different, I am using my favorite accessory, which is this mount that allows me to use my phone while in the case. I'll leave a link to the video where I talk about this more at the end of this video. My drone is now running. I'm sure that you can probably hear that, but once you open up the app, you'll see the three little bars underneath the record button. Go ahead and tap on that button. Once you're in there, you want to tap on the settings button, which is the little gear sprocket over there, the third button over. Tap on the settings, scroll all the way down here right next to the bottom, and you'll see where it says Format SD Card. Simply tap that button, and it wants to know if you do want to format this card. Okay, and it is formatting the card. Format card is complete. You tap OK, and you're good to go. That's all there is to it. If you want to see more about photography, drones, technology, and other related stuff, then consider hitting that subscribe button. When you do, tap the little bell icon next to it. That way you won't miss anything. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. And until next time, God bless.